Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best pet washing brush is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner looking to make bath time a more enjoyable and effective experience for both themselves and their furry companions, transforming a potentially stressful chore into a bonding opportunity while ensuring a thorough clean and a happy, healthy coat. Number 5. Maxpower Planet Pet Grooming Rake. Introducing the Maxpower Planet Pet Grooming Rake, your ultimate solution for pet grooming. This tool is designed to make grooming a breeze for both you and your furry friend. Featuring a double-sided design, it effectively tackles de-shedding and dematting. It's perfect for dogs and cats with long hair, ensuring a smooth and comfortable grooming experience. Say goodbye to excessive shedding. This grooming rake is engineered to reduce shedding by an impressive 95%. Keep your home cleaner and your pet happier. The extra-wide brush ensures maximum coverage, making grooming faster and more efficient. It acts as both a brush and a de-shedder comb, simplifying your pet care routine. Designed for comfort, it gently removes loose undercoat and tangles without pulling. Your pet will enjoy the massage-like feel while you achieve professional grooming results at home. Invest in the best for your pet's coat health and your home's cleanliness. This grooming rake is an essential tool for every pet owner seeking a well-groomed and comfortable companion. What we like. This tool is designed to tackle heavy shedding and mats with its double-sided functionality. If you have a pet with a thick undercoat or one that sheds excessively, this is the perfect solution for you. It makes de-shedding a breeze, leaving your pet's coat significantly smoother and reducing the amount of hair around your home. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing loose fur during bath time. It has a unique design that makes it easy to hold and maneuver around my pet. The soft silicone bristles are gentle on my pet's skin while still providing a good clean. Number 4. Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush, Blue. Introducing the Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush, designed for a soothing grooming experience. It effectively cleans and massages your pet during bath time. Whether your furry friend has long or short hair, this brush is perfect for them. It reaches deep to ensure a thorough clean. Elevate your pet's bath routine with this premium scrubber. It provides a gentle yet effective way to bathe and massage your dog or cat. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. Cleaning is also a breeze, ensuring more time for bonding with your pet. Make bath time a more enjoyable occasion for both you and your pet. This tool is essential for any pet owner's grooming kit. Crafted with premium materials, this brush is built to last. It's safe for all pets, providing a comfortable and effective grooming solution. What we like. This brush is perfect for a soothing bath time experience. Its soft bristles provide a gentle massage while effectively distributing shampoo and cleaning your pet's coat. If you're looking for a way to make bath time more enjoyable for your pet and ensure a thorough clean, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The brush is easy to use and effective at removing loose fur. It's gentle on the skin and my dog seems to enjoy the massage. The design allows for easy cleaning of the brush itself. Number 3. HANDSON Pet Grooming Gloves. Introducing the original patented pet grooming gloves, designed for ultimate comfort and effectiveness. They are perfect for grooming dogs, cats, horses, and more, ensuring a pleasant experience for your beloved companions. These gloves are more than just a hair remover. The gentle bristles and rubber nodules provide a soothing massage, stimulating circulation and promoting a healthy skin and coat. Keep your hands clean and protected while giving your pet a professional grooming session. No hair type is a challenge for these grooming gloves. They efficiently handle short, medium, long, and coarse fur, making grooming a breeze. Your pet will enjoy the gentle touch while you achieve excellent results. Built to last, these gloves are highly durable and withstand heavy grooming and bathing. Pet hair easily falls off, and cleaning is simple, just rinse and air dry or toss them in the washing machine. Customers rave about how much their pets love these gloves. They are perfect for washing, de-shedding, and massaging, turning grooming time into a special bonding experience that your furry friends will look forward to. Recognized as a top-ranked, award-winning product, these gloves offer a patented design for superior pet care. Experience the difference that quality and innovation make in grooming your pets. What we like. These gloves offer a unique, hands-on grooming experience. The gentle nodules provide a soothing massage while effectively removing loose hair and cleaning during baths. If you prefer a more tactile approach to grooming and want to keep your hands clean and protected, these gloves are a fantastic option for bonding with your pet. What people say. The brush is easy to hold and use, making bath time more enjoyable for both me and my pet. It effectively removes loose fur and dirt, leaving my pet's coat clean and shiny. The soft bristles are gentle on my pet's skin, preventing irritation and discomfort. Number 2. Pecute Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Introducing the Pecute Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush, designed for ultimate grooming convenience. Keep your pet looking and feeling their best with ease. Tired of struggling to clean your pet brush? Ours features a unique self-cleaning mechanism. With just one push of a button, all the trapped hair is easily removed. This brush is designed with fine stainless steel bristles and gentle massage particles. It efficiently removes loose fur and dander without causing any discomfort, leaving their coat soft and shiny. No matter your pet's coat type, this brush is suitable for all. It works wonders on dogs, cats, and small animals with short, long, dense, or fine fur. Grooming sessions are now more comfortable for both of you. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a secure grip, and the lightweight design prevents fatigue during extended use. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this grooming tool is built for long-lasting performance. Enjoy years of effortless grooming for your beloved pets. What we like. This brush features an innovative self-cleaning mechanism, making cleanup effortless. Its gentle bristles effectively remove loose fur and massage your pet's skin. If you value convenience and a comfortable grooming experience for both you and your pet, especially for daily grooming, this brush is an excellent choice. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing loose fur and dirt from my pet's coat. It has a unique design that allows for easy cleaning of the brush itself, preventing hair from getting stuck. The soft bristles are gentle on my pet's skin, making bath time a more comfortable experience for them. Number 1. Aquapaw Dog Bath Brush Pro. Tired of stressful dog baths? Introducing a revolutionary new way to clean your furry friend. Make bath time a breeze for both of you. This innovative tool combines a sprayer and a scrubber into one convenient device. It gently cleans and rinses your pet simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Crafted from soft silicone rubber, it provides a gentle massage while effectively removing dirt and loose fur. Your pet will love the soothing sensation. The extra-long 8-foot hose offers great flexibility and reach. Easily maneuver around your pet without being restricted by a short hose. Designed for dogs of all sizes, this attachment makes grooming simple and efficient. Achieve a thorough clean every time. Connect it effortlessly to your shower for a convenient bathing experience. Spend less time wrestling and more time bonding with your dog. What we like. This innovative tool combines bathing and rinsing into one seamless process. The sprayer and scrubber in one design allows for efficient bathing with a gentle massage. If you're looking for a way to significantly speed up and simplify the bathing process for your pet, especially if they dislike traditional bathing, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The brush is easy to use and effective at removing loose fur. It works well on my short-haired dog, leaving his coat shiny and soft. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making grooming sessions a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.